So I am working on making a digital clock powered by Arduino, and for the first time today I have hooked up a speaker so I can test just the chiming functionality of it. So this is just like the sample code extracted from my program to just play the chime for every quarter hour, just in succession with a small pause in between, so that we can just hear how it sounds on the first run. And when I let go of this reset button, we will hear it. So that was the 15-minute. This is the half hour. Then the 45-minute mark. And then last it'll do the hour with 6 chimes at the end. Awesome first run. Thanks everybody, bye.